Here we go, Hobbybox604 back doing another group break on Toonie Wednesday, New Year's Eve, and doing our second box of the night. This is group break number 131, box of 1011 Panini Zenith, box number 548. It was $2 a spot, and here we go. Good luck, everyone. See what we get in our first box of a fresh case. Let's just hope that there is no redemption. I mean, Panini is good with their redemptions, but empty box. Let's keep the checklist just in case. Packs there. We'll do the dare to tear after. Okay, pack one. Good luck. Let's hit a Sagan, Eberle, Subban, someone like that. That would be cool. We have a short print base for the Montreal Canadiens of Patrick Roy. We have a Ruby of Dustin Brown for the LA Kings. Not numbered. Crease is the Ward for Carolina Hurricanes of Cam Ward. Steve Yzerman red short print base. San Jose Sharks at Belfour short print base. For the Buffalo Sabres, Mosaics triple. Jason Pominville, Drew Stafford, and Thomas Vanek. The Sabres. We have our first hit jersey card for the Tampa Bay Lightning of Vinny Lecavalier. Winter Warriors, Vincent Lecavalier. I tried to be French for a sec. Didn't work, right? Our rookie auto is for the Anaheim Ducks of Kyle Palmieri. Number 327 of 999, Kyle Palmieri. And we have a rookie roll call for the Anaheim Ducks of Cam Fowler. Rookie for the Boston Bruins of Colby Cohen. 667 of 999 for the Boston Bruins. 2 packs left, plus the jumbo. Base. Gifted grinders for the Philadelphia Flyers, Scotty Hartnell. And a jersey of Andrei Kostitsyn for the Montreal Canadiens. And here is our dare to tear. Actually, I gotta do it the other way. Sorry, Mark Messier. Not bad. Gold rookie for the New York Rangers, Dale Weiss. 57 of 99 for the New York Rangers. Dale Weiss. Bonus auto is always good. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back shortly.